Okay, rasanya sebelum kita start, elok rasanya kita introduce among us dulu lah kot ke macam mana?
Betul.
Boleh.
Okay,
Kita start dengan leader kita lah kot.
HAIRI.
Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone.
Okay.
My name is HAIRI bin ZULKEFLY. I am 24 years old. I live in Selangor and right now I'm student of University Technical Malaysia Melaka. I'm studying Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering. So engineering.
Okay. Tahun berapa dah ni?
Baru tahun 1. First year.
Umur berapa tadi? 34. 34, 24. 34.
24.
24. Okay. Asal?
Selangor.
Okay. Boleh. Next person.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad SHAMIN bin SAMSUDIN. I am 21 years old. I'm living at Kelantan. For now, I study at University Technology Malaysia Melaka for degree engineering, mechanical, technology, maintenance. Before that, I study at Polytechnic Kota Baru for diploma mechanical engineering.
So after diploma, so now also first year. Correct?
First year. Yeah.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Amir Hazmi bin Hanapiah and I live in Bangsa, KL. I study in Bachelor in Mechanical Engineering Technology, more to technician.
More to? Ulang balik, more to? Automation ke technician?
Maintenance.
Maintenance. Okay.
Okay.
21 tahun.
21 tahun.
So all of you mechanical engineering students, so we can speak same language actually. So, okay, let me introduce myself lah. Okay, my name is Mohammad Soleham, Juraimi bin Kamarudin. So nickname, people call me Soleh only, Soleh, Leh, or my family call me So all my friends call me Soleh. Okay. I'm 39 years old, married with 4 what we call naughty kids. So I have 2 daughters and 2 sons. So similar like you, I'm graduated in mechanical engineering from UiTM Shah Alam. So first, I graduated in diploma in mechanical engineering, specialized in automotive. And then I further my study in degree mechanical engineering, also in UiTM Shah Alam. And recently, I just graduated in master in structural integrity from UniKL. I think one of you maybe Kamel, no Kamel, right? Kamel is actually my classmate for this master. So recently also I pursue PhD in mechanical engineering from UniKL as well. So sama lah macam you all, first year for PhD. Okay. Okay, about my professional career lah. Okay, back to 2005, I started my career as a QC engineer with one small, I would say not small, also consider like a medium fabrication company in Subang. So called Amalgamated Metal Corporation. So this company actually specialized in fabrication boilers, pressure vessel and heat exchangers. So I was there about 5 years. 5 tahun lah kot, 2005 lah, 2010. And then I moved to SIRIM, okay, SIRIM QAS. Okay, Di SIRIM, I spent about 2 years. Yeah, about 2 years as technical inspector. So, sana saya jadi technical inspector lah. After about 2 years with SIRIM, then I moved to Malaysian oil company, our national oil company. I joined Petronas. Okay, semua tahu kot Petronas kan?
Tahu.
Okay, so I joined Petronas about 1 year and 9 months. Setahun 9 bulan as an inspection engineer. Saya jadi inspection engineer dengan Petronas. So, tahu tak skop macam mana inspection engineer ni buat kerja? Ke tak tahu? Ke ada yang tahu? Boleh ni sikit, kita more towards discussion lah. Mungkin lepas pada ni siapa nak pursue nak jadi inspection engineer ni. Inspection engineer gaji banyak tau. Bolehlah saya guide.
Tak tahu.
Okay. About 2 years, about one years and 9 months with Petronas lah. So most of the time with Petronas, I spent about 1 year dekat overseas. I was assigned to South Africa engine refinery dekat South Africa lah, about setahun, and then MLNG. So my workplace is at Daya Bumi last time, not Twin Tower. So under group technical solution, material corrosion and inspection section. So more pada material and corrosion lah basically. So after that, I moved to another national oil company, Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, situated in Abu Dhabi, UAE, sebelah Dubai tu. So kat sana I spent about 5 years kot. 5 years as a section head of asset integrity. So lepas saya join Petronas dan saya move ke Abu Dhabi. Okay, after 5 years there, saya pun balik ke Malaysia sebab you know my wife need to resume dia punya yelah kerja lah. Actually my wife working at one of government punya agency lah, Ministry of Health kat Malaysia. So all of us need to return back to Malaysia back to 2018. Saya join BASF Petronas Chemical dekat Gebeng. Okay, my last position with BASF actually as manager inspection, also inspection. Okay, about I would say 1.5 years dengan BASF. Then I join my current company lah, Arkema Tio Chemicals Senang Berhad. Currently saya dekat Ketih lah since 2019. Okay. So a little bit about my career lah basically. In term of professional qualification, okay lah, I am registered with Board of Engineer as well as Institute of Engineer Malaysia, full corporate member and professional engineer. Beside that, I'm also chartered engineer from Institute of Engineer and Technology UK. Okay. Beside chartered engineer, I'm also got chartership on European engineer. After dapat chartered engineer UK, move one step ahead and then become European engineer. That's all, a little bit about myself. So boleh kot kalau nak start dengan interview ni. Boleh tanya macam-macam juga. Saya tengok, saya go through juga soalan. Some of the question tu tough juga lah aku nak jawab.
Okay, so we go to the first question. What is your biggest challenge you ever face as an engineer?
Okay, as an engineer. Okay, as an inspection engineer sebenarnya, my day-to-day job daily with the plant reliability and safety. Means that inspection engineer yang akan determine whether the plant ni processing plant lah. Sebab my background actually in oil and gas. So kalau sebut plant ni processing plant tu clear tak yang macam mana? Macam dekat kalau dah pernah lalu jalan Kertih tu, kawasan industri dia tu adalah processing plant. So plant ni kita kategorikan sebagai major hazard installation. So anything happen kalau plant tu explode, dia bukan affect pada pekerja dan area tu saja, dia akan affect pada community. So my biggest challenge adalah untuk ensure kita punya plant tu, our plant is operating safely and reliable. Safely ni kita follow all the rules, all the SOPs. While reliable, kita kena make sure kita punya plant tu available 100% sebab kita nak produce kan. If we are not producing something, kita tak akan dapat profit, kita tak akan dapat revenue. So, kita as an engineer, I need to make sure our plant is safe and reliable. Okay? Without compromising safety. And then to ensure there is no emergency shutdown happen. So if shutdown maknanya plant tu tak making money lah. Shutdown ni basically henti tugas. Kalau plant tu tak reliable, and then the first that being blamed actually asset integrity engineer or main inspection engineer lah. Why you did not inspect properly before we can continue our plant running after that. So itulah major challenge dia. So major challenge ni benda lain yang saya boleh cakap, you need to balance between safety and production. Sometimes management akan push. Okay, kita nak production, we need production because we want to make money. But as engineer, you are the one who need to make sure equipment or plant are safe to run. So benda itulah yang kena balance, and then we need to make what I call a firm decision. Kalau katakan safety already compromised, takkan you nak cakap okay, kita still need to run sebab kita kena buat duit ni. So actually that's the biggest challenge lah that I ever face until now lah, since starting of my career until now. Okay, so we move to the second question lah kot. Explain a time you had to use logic to solve an engineering problem. Actually, as an engineer, we are bound by, code of ethics, standard operating procedure, design, and then best practices. But sometimes, not everything we are facing having SOP. Faham tak? Ada procedure, ada guideline. That's where we need to use our logic and common sense. Okay, kalau kita nak go deeper in term of logic ni, contohnya one day you be engineer, you be approached by many vendors, many suppliers. Dia kata, okay, let's say, Encik HAIRI, saya naklah projek ni, kalau saya bagi you commission 20% out of total project value, you accept tak? So that's where logic is coming in. Logic kami or common sense, adakah betul saya akan ambil commission tu ataupun saya tolak commission tu. So benda-benda tu, once you be an engineer one day, takkan lari daripada benda tu. So you need to be logic and rational lah. Rational as well as firm. Okay, Mr. X, I cannot receive this money because it's clearly, I would say, a breach my code of conduct or my ethics. So third question, on your view, do you think your company takes engineering ethics seriously? So most of the major company lah di Malaysia ni, whether electronic company, engineering company, Petronas, Shell, Exxon, most of the major company, they will have their own code of ethics or code of business ethics. So everyone in the company need to sign this. Okay? Sama lah, one day you be an engineer, one of the items that you need to fulfill at one day, first day, actually to sign the code of ethics. Code of ethics ni banyak lah. privacy disclaimers or code of ethics, maknanya non-disclosure agreements. There are many things nowadays, cyber security. So talking about company, my current company, recently I have what I call consolidation and the briefing on the code of ethics. So we have a good set of what I call rules, do's and don'ts need to be obeyed or adhere by all employees. Okay. To question number 4, code. How do you carry out your duties with responsible manners? Okay, to answer this question, of course lah, everyone in any companies shall carry their duties, their works with the full of responsibilities and accountabilities. Okay, means that if you breach any, I would say, okay, responsible manner. I try to explain in the easier way. Okay, as an employee actually, engineer actually make a decision sebenarnya. Decision sometimes is easy decision or difficult decision. But each of decision are carry weight or carry burden or carry responsibility or accountability. So for me, I need to be responsible for all my decision that I made, because whatever decision that I made, for sure there is a consequence behind it, whether good or not good. Okay. So how do you stay current with the latest technology? Okay. Yang ni I rasa you all lagi advance kot. Sekarang ni gadget, PUBG semua, apa gamer semua. During my time, I have laptop dah ada masa tu, back to 2001 kot. But then very huge laptop lah. iPad pun baru nak start that time. So how I keep myself with the latest or current technology ni, basically all engineers sebenarnya need to collect CPDs or what I call professional development point, CPD. So I need to maintain about 50 CPD hours in order to renew my professional engineer PE title lah. So how I maintain this CPD actually, and then keep myself update with the latest technology by attending seminar and then doing presentation and then build up networking, join NGOs. Join NGOs means engineering NGOs lah, bukan like Mercy or other NGOs. So that's where I gain all my knowledge and keep myself streamlined with the latest technology. So other than that, mungkin sometimes supplier or vendors also did their presentation at company lah. So diorang normally akan bring the latest gadgets or latest products introduced to the company. Even though we know the price is quite expensive, but then at least we gain something from them. Even though we are not buying their equipment or their products, but then we know what they are trying to share. But maybe one day we need that equipment, then of course we're gonna purchase that one. Okay. Okay, number 6. How can you be interested in entering this field? Oh, there are a lot of competition. It's really quite difficult to achieve. Okay. What I call engineer since my school days lah. Back to 1999, the first Formula 1 being held in Malaysia, kalau everybody knows. So 99 Formula 1 first time dibuat di Malaysia lah basically. So I admire to be an automotive engineer sebenarnya. That's why my diploma specialized in automotive. Unfortunately, I thought that, okay, after finish my diploma, automotive is not in my, I would say, in my heart anymore. Sebab tu I pursue my degree in mechanical engineering lah. I ambil general. So I can go further and then I can choose a various what I call field lah. That's why I end up in oil and gas industry. Okay, what is the greatest contribution as an engineer to the current workplace or other former workplace? Okay, to be an engineer ni, sometimes if we are given a huge project or multi-million project ni, actually it's an honor lah untuk leading that project. Sebab kita tahu challenge dia besar because of multi-million project. Sebab kita kena deal dengan multidisiplin, authorities, client, supplier, many parties we need to talk or to discuss with. Okay, but untuk saya greatest contribution, say from the risk, we can decide the inspection plan for each equipment tu. Sebagai contoh, pressure vessel, one pressure vessel that having process crude distillation or something like this. So kita kena decide what is the risk for that equipment, so that we can plan a proper inspection for it. Maknanya kalau from that software, so kita kan simulate lah, okay, what is the final risk for that particular equipment. So itulah contribution untuk Petronas. Contribution untuk Abu Dhabi National Oil Company. Yang ni banyak lah kot. Sebab I spend almost 5 years lah kat sana. Biggest contribution. I joined this company during commissioning and startup phase. Commissioning tahu kan? Commission tahu? Tak tahu? Tahu commission? Okay. Commission ni, plant just finish their construction phase. Maknanya kita from zero, kita akan erect all the equipment there. Kita nak buat macam yang baru lah, macam rumah baru kita buat, or plant baru, and then kita kena commission. Commission ni basically kita energize equipment tu daripada kosong. Contohnya daripada tak ada apa-apa, and then kita buat baru, and then kita commissionkan plant tu. Commission ni bagi energi lah kat dia. And then startup. Startup ni first time kita nak start. Contoh kita buat kereta lah, buat kereta baru, kita kena commission dulu. Commission ni dekat plant, dekat kilang. Dekat kilang, contohnya proton, dekat kilang proton lah. And startup, first time kita masuk kunci and kita start. Biggest responsibility you have ever faced as an engineer in terms of clients, employees and tasks to be completed. Okay, as client ni. Okay. Biggest responsibility as client, kalau technical side, when manufacturer or fabricators bagi drawing kat kita. So dia orang basically design phase ni consultant yang akan buat kan. And then dia akan pass the drawing, approve for construction drawing. So as a client, kita kena approve for construction drawing tu. Let's say kalau kita pun macam less knowledge ke, kalau kita less knowledge, kita kena dapatkan bantuan orang lain untuk help kita understand that drawing. So we are not simply macam pergi sign lah drawing tu, kita pun tak tahu apa, and then kita sign. So as client, first in technical and commercial. Commercial pun kita ambil kira juga. Let's say commercial, as a manager lah, saya punya approval is about I think 1 million ringgit kot untuk approval. Contohnya ada vendor nak buat projek baru ke, ada proposal buat projek baru. So I need to take responsibility to sign or to approve that proposal lah. Basically after multiple stage of assessment lah. Bukan pergi sign terus je. Basically dalam tender or bidding process dia ada multiple stage. And then for that one, as a manager, saya duduk dekat hierarchy, I would say middle management hierarchy lah untuk get the approval. After saya put approval and then dia akan naik ke atas lagi lah, going up to the maybe up to senior managers or CEOs macam tu lah. Okay, as an employee ni lagi banyak responsibility. Kena deliver job, kena work, follow the procedures, and then kena jaga keharmonian team to make sure team deliver well, kena monitor KPIs, banyaklah benda kena deal with authorities. So that's the biggest challenge actually. So what is your view on ethics in work and important to have ethics in doing job? Ethics ni basically is not only important tapi mandatory lah. Okay. Mandatory. Jangan fikir dia macam dia important je. Actually it's mandatory. Sebabnya one day after your graduation, everybody need to register as a graduate engineer. Kat situ pun you dah sign something dah. Okay, cakap okay, I will follow all the rules and I will perform my work with good ethics. So that's how kita boleh emphasize that ethics ni memang mandatory. Kalau orang jawab bukan saja important tapi mandatory lah, kena follow. Sebab everything that we delivered actually carry weight. So kalau kita ada good ethics, kita buat satu kerja tu follow the rules. So benda tu dah kira macam kita fulfill lah good ethics tu. Sebab kita kena tahu juga whatever yang kita decide actually akan bagi result or consequence later on. Hilak contohnya, one day someone ask you, HAIRI tolong sign drawing ni HAIRI. You sign hari ni, besok tiba-tiba runtuh. For sure dia akan come back pada sini balik, etik balik. Dia akan check, HAIRI ni dia sign buta ke? Sign artis ke? Sign artis ni famous lah. Orang bagi drawing sign je. Okay, sign. Without tengok detail, without checking precisely benda tu. So, to answer that, mandatory ethic is not only important but it's mandatory. Okay, the last question, do you have any advice for the future engineer to become more ethical before making some decision when facing workplace safety issue? Okay, I will refer back to first question actually. In everywhere lah sebenarnya, bukan di tempat kerja pun, kat rumah pun kita kena, kita tak compromise safety sebenarnya. Everywhere kita kena concern about safety ni. Tak kisahlah kerja dekat kilang elektronik ke, oil and gas ke, everywhere. So my advice on this one, do not compromise safety. Because at the end of the day, kita akan responsible lah. Atau kita yang akan bear consequence of what we did. Okay? Before okay, do you have any advice future engineer? Yelah, saya rasa itulah kot, menjawab lah kot soalan tu. Maknanya, kena every time, kena follow lah safety tu. Follow safety and keep a good ethics in everywhere you are. Sebab, saya cakap macam tu, I have my experience lah. When I'm in South Africa, dia punya safety level tu compare to Malaysia ni lagi lenient kot. Sama juga dekat Middle East lagi lenient. But in Malaysia, in term of safety at workplace ni quite stringent lah basically. Dengan adanya Petronas, dengan adanya Shell. So sini lagi stringent compare to overseas. Tapi as an engineer, you keep your safety level or ethic level tu same atau improve ke arah yang lebih baik lah. Itulah pesan saya. Sebab safety ni bukan individual punya individual punya responsibility je. Dia kena kolektif. Let's say one day Amir, HAIRI dengan SHAMIN ni kerja sekali. SHAMIN ni memang suka langgar je safety dalam kilang. So HAIRI dengan Amir kena tegur lah. Tak betul cara you buat macam tu. Bukan maksudnya bukan tegur cara kasar lah. Friendly pun boleh juga. Okay. Kalau tak jadi juga friendly, baru pergi cara keras sikit lah. Basically, that's how we approach in company lah. Some of the company, sometimes if you breach code of ethics and safety ni, zero tolerance. Macam Petronas. Let's say Petronas, kalau you langgar je ethics rules, silap kena buang kerja tau. Sama lah my company, kalau safety, let's say safety tu up to that level yang boleh menyebabkan fatality ke lost time injury, result dia buang kerja lah biasanya. Consequence management tu is very what I call unbearable lah. Maknanya kalau kena buang kerja ni unbearable sebenarnya. Suddenly because of you langgar safety dekat tempat kerja, you kena buang kerja. Itulah dia punya, saya punya advice lah.
I think that's all from us.
Okay.
Okay, and then I would like to say thank you to Tuan Soleham for spending your time with us for this interview session. I hope that the knowledge that you share can be used by us when we work in the future. That's all from us.
Okay. So for all of you, I wish you best of luck. And then I think one of you also having my contact number. So keep in touch if you have any doubt or any question. You can ask me anything actually with regards to the engineering lah. So okay. So I wish you best of luck, and then looking forward to have all of you a good career in engineering.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Alright.
Assalamualaikum and good morning.
Salam.
We are from student. We are student from University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. Today we are going to do interview session with Mr. Syed Fadzil. But before that, my name is HAIRI bin ZULKEFLY, and this is my group members.
My name is Amir Hazmi bin Hanapiah.
My name is Mohammad Shamin bin SAMSUDIN.
So, what is the biggest challenge you have ever faced as an engineer? The challenge is, contohnya, we know certain component of the plant already deteriorating. Dia plant, dia bukan ya orang pun makin-makin ada sakit ada sini kan. Plant tu ada sakit ada sana. So the biggest challenge is you have to make recommendation, you have to make conclusion. What's the status? So kalau because dia involve safety, kan? Safety sekarang ni kalau kita nak tutup, and then probably plant tu boleh je jalan. Usually kalau macam kita involve plan integrity semua kan. So what's the decision yang buat? So kita have to consult a lot of people. Kemungkinan the existing parameter yang plan nak jalan tu tak boleh, the plan no longer hilang pula ni.
Sorry.
Kan, explain a time you have to use logic to solve an engineering. Semua all the engineering problem yang solve dekat dunia ni, you have to use logic. Kan, you tak boleh tak ada apa benda yang tak ada logic. You have to use. Memang semuanya logic. Kan, kalau tak you pakai, katalah you pakai, kalau you nak buat, let's say you nak buat piping dekat proses plant. You dah tahu piping ni korosif. ada produk kat dalam tu korosif. Mesti you guna stainless steel kan? Logik. Boleh ke tak pakai? Pakai je lah, steel biasa je. Tak logik. So, anything, engineering is all about logic thinking. Kan? Ada. So, that bukan apa. Logical thinking bermaksud, bila kita buat any decision in life, not just engineering, please take out emotional from the equation. Kan? Bila kita buat sesuatu dengan emosi, kita akan dapati dia mungkin betul pada masa dan ketika tu je. Bila minggu depan baru kita cakap tutup daya, ya Allah kan. So you tengokkanlah any emotion you do any decision in your life, bukan engineering if you take emotion into the account, you're going to regret it. So in engineering, you want to be a better person, contributing to the society, because in engineer ni we contribute to society. How do you carry out your responsibility? I want people to trust me. Ya, kita jangan betray. Nombor 4 tu, kita jangan betray people trust. Kan? Be honest with your people. Honest. Kalau kata tadi kan kita tak dapat. Kan kita tak dapat. Okay, kita ada meeting pukul 10 kan. So be honest. Kita cakap dalam 9:05 buat suku, awal lagi kita cakap, I think I cannot make it. Jangan bila kau dah sampai 10:30 baru cerita jam. Be honest with it. So I cannot make it. Telefon awal. Saya tak sempat pukul 10 lah sebab sekarang ni jam dekat Jasin. Ada accident jam dekat Jasin. Tapi you daripada Seremban. Jadi orang dah tahu. Okay, dia dah make time daripada kau. So dia boleh lah kan. So be honest. Be honest. And then be trustful lah. Jangan betray other people punya trust. How do you stay current with the latest technology? Okay. Kita jadi member lah. Salah satunya saya how to stay current with technology is becoming member, active member in the society. Macam kalau dekat Malaysia ni kita ada IEM kan. IEM. Just participate and then dari masa ke semasa dia ada seminar, just attend lah. So they will give you what the updated technology yang penting kita keep information. Walaupun kita mechanical engineer, kita juga kena tahu benda-benda yang lain, because kita tak duduk dalam dunia ni in isolation. You have to know what's perkembangan latest in civil, in electrical, in chemical kan. Kita bukan nak belajar a new, aku nak enroll lah jadi electrical engineer, tak. We need to find what's the latest yang related tu kan. Because kita buat kerja nanti kita kita kerja in a team kan. Bila kita ada team electrical, aku rasa aku dengar dekat IEM dulu dia kata ada benda lain yang the latest. Yang kau bagi ni macam 15 tahun yang lalu punya kan. Dia kata sebab ni yang murah. Yalah, yang murah tapi ni dah outdated. Nanti bila dah murah, outdated after sales service macam mana kan. So we have to know that. So I keep current with the latest technology. Saya becoming an active member dalam IEM, dalam Institute Mechanical Engineer. So and then of course lah attend conference ke apa benda kan. So macam mana saya stay current dengan I membina network. So network banyak kan. Banyak. So nombor 6, how can you be interested in entering this field when there is a lot of competition in this field and it is quite difficult to achieve? Tell us. Okay, saya sebenarnya saya mula-mula kalau ikut cerita lah lepas pada form 5 tu, saya sebenarnya engineering technical ni macam malas sebab because kita dah duduk kat science stream kan. Saya actually my first choice I want to do law. Dia nak buat law. Kan, tapi bila nak buat law cakap the scholarship yang adanya hanya untuk technical saja. Jadi to cut things short, of course lah, scholarship untuk saya pergi UK Dia hanya offer untuk technical. Jadi yang kita daripada science stream kata law boleh lah, tapi tak, you don't have scholarship untuk buat law. So that's tapi bila since science stream tu kita sukalah kan, sebab saya suka engineering ni bukan dulu tak nak, because macam saya dah headed dah untuk technical, saya nak ambil law. Sebab kalau dulu dia ada satu cerita LA Law, saya memang minat cerita tu kan. Tapi bila saya enter first year tu, I think I have a very good professor lah. Professor saya memang tua kan, jadi dia memang dia dah ada cucu sebenarnya. Jadi dia anggap kita orang ni macam cucu-cucu dia lah. So dia memang bagi advice, bagi benda bukan apa ni, most of my lecture memang tua-tua lah. So kita rasa kita orang ni cucu dia kan. Jadi banyaklah benda-benda wisdom, technical juga. The wisdom, kadang-kadang kita orang saja je tengok borak, stay dengan dia, duduk dekat ada macam courtyard tu, dengan dia borak apa benda kan, dia relate things outside engineering technical. Dia ceritakan apa dia, how they connect mechanical engineering dengan benda-benda lain, dengan macam-macam lah, dengan railway, aerospace, macam-macam lah. Then saya minat lah. So have a chance to contribute. Katalah you buat invention, something, inovasi, untuk mengelakkan rantai basikal putus, rantai motor putus kan. Whatever you, sama ada tak kisahlah you nak patent ke tak nak patent, you just think in a very small way you are contributing a lot, betul tak? That's engineer. Kan, you untuk you buat invention benda tu, you perlu tahu pasal material, for example kan, material apa yang sesuai, design. That's all engineer. You bayangkan manfaat dia. So become an engineer, we have a chance to not just to be a better person, but we have an avenue to contribute ourselves to the world. Bila saya cakap world ni bukan orang saja tau, orang, binatang, kan, environment, pokok-pokok semua. Fikir kan, contoh yang buat traktor tu, yang buat traktor kan, I believe it is engineer. So dah dia buat tu senang lah, orang nak tolak tanah, orang nak robohkan bukit, satu bab lah. Bila robohkan bukit jadi banjir, tu cerita lain lah kan. Tapi positif ni tolak tanah, boleh ada ada jalan, mudah orang nak bergerak kan, mudah kita nak pergi masjid, pergi surau kan. Nampak tak? Okay, nombor 7, what the greatest contribution as engineer to the current workplace or other former workplace? Macam saya, kita involve banyak dalam capability and capacity building lah. Dan macam saya kata tadi, saya tugas saya ada moment lah for the past 10 years or so, banyak pada tumpu. Hopefully orang dapat gaji besar, itu je. Itu berbimbang contribution lah. So current sekarang kan. Selain pada tu, ialah selesaikan masalah yang dihadapi oleh student-student saya. They have their own engineering problem. Kalau kita boleh bagi buah fikiran, kita bagilah buah fikiran ya. Nombor 8, what is the biggest responsibility you have ever faced an engineer in terms of clients, employee and tasks to be completed? Biggest task actually duit sebenarnya. Kita buat kerja, klien tak bagi duit, tapi kita kena juga bagi gaji kan. With that challenging, actually banyak lesson learn, kita belajar banyak benda during COVID. Banyak benda lah. In terms of client, kadang klien yang suka ubah-ubah. So ubah-ubah, kita on our part, kita kena pandai professionally. Any perubahan ataupun any agree, katalah kita dah ada satu design yang kita agree. So let them sign, let them acknowledge that design in black and white. Ya. So boleh tak design kemudian ditukar? Boleh. Boleh ditukar. Sebab in term of client, kita kena choose lah siapa agree, kita panggil wakil klien. Any perubahan dia kena acknowledge. What is your view on ethics in work and it's important to have ethics? Confirm. Kalau orang buat tak ada etika, kejujuran adalah satu etika. Ya, kepercayaan pun adalah etika macam saya kata tadi. So, pertama sekali you trust. Dan orang buat ni, kenapa HAIRI, SHAMIN dengan Amir duduk dia? Because you trust each other kan. Bukan saja makan tapi you trust. You trust. Kalau you trust nak apa? Nak minum, katalah SHAMIN ada teh tarik. Lepas tu Amir nak minum sikit. You trust dia kan. Tak adalah letak apa benda bukan-bukan kan. Because we trust. So ingat the currency, the ethic in engineering or in any trust. Because we trust. Jadi jangan sekali khianati trust. What is the view of ethics and it's important to have ethics in doing? Yes. Nombor 10. Do you have any advice for future engineer to become more ethical before making some decision when facing workplace safety issues? Safety issues, ya, pertama sekali trust ni kita tak boleh paksa orang percaya kita. And we cannot force people to trust us. So kita kena jadi orang yang dipercayai dululah, trustworthy. Kita ni mempunyai nilai-nilai yang boleh dipercayai. At least kita tak boleh, kau kena percaya aku ni. Tak boleh ni. Saya kalau orang cakap kau kena percaya aku, itulah orang yang paling tidak boleh dipercayai. So you have to be trustworthy. Dan tak perlu orang percaya kita tanpa perlu kita mengatakan perlu dipercayai. So, berumur nanti, if you berumur, you akan nampak. Mungkin sekarang ni you tak nampak lagi. Or mungkin you tak value trust, you tak value honesty, kan? You belum belajar kejujuran, benda tu. Benda kan? Mungkin. Kan? Tapi bila, especially bila ada orang buat something yang tak bagus kepada kita, and then we value benda tu. Dan of course lah, janganlah kita buat kat orang balik kan? And then we value trust, we value honesty. 10 tu, if advice, or just you have to earn people trust, and you have to be honest. First, you have to be honest to yourself, kan? Kadang-kadang ni kita tengok dalam social media. How to be honest to yourself? Engkau bergaya lebih-lebih dekat ni, kan? Bukan apa, kita ada kawan juga kan. Tengok Facebook, benda semua tu kan. Tunjuk rumah dia, rumah tu benda. Dia tahu tak? Ini contoh lah, walaupun contohnya kawan saya. Nak kata rapat, tak ada rapat, tapi kawan lah. About mungkin orang tua-tua punya kind of honesty, but it just, I think it's cross. You tunjuk dekat social media, kan? Dengan gaya hidup yang mewah. Tak ada masalah. Kan ada nasi orang, kalau you earn ni tak ada masalah kan? Gaya hidup yang mewah. Ini orang yang not honest to themselves. And then datang COVID. Lepas tu, datang COVID, kontak kawan mana nak minjam duit. Kan COVID tau, nak minjam duit. Kita orang cakap lah, kata kan. Kenapa you tak jual benda-benda yang you ada tu? Kan jual lah. Jual kereta, jual apa, whatever lah. Rumah, banglo, kondominium, apa benda. Jual. Kan? Dia kata tak nak jual. So gini kan. Ya, bila jual, dia nampak macam hidup dia sudah jatuh kemiskinan contohnya kan. Apa ni? Itulah honest. Just jujur kepada diri sendiri dulu. Sebelum kita jujur pada orang lain. Kadang-kadang orang dia nampak jujur tapi sebenarnya dia tak jujur pada diri sendiri. So orang yang tak jujur pada diri sendiri, confirm dia tak akan jujur pada orang. Confirm. Dia hanya menunjuk-nunjuk je. Kena jujur pada diri sendiri tu. Jujur pada diri sendiri, jujur pada orang yang rapat dengan kita. Jujur dengan mak bapak kita, adik-beradik kita. Basic, back to fundamental. Engineering apa-apa pun, kita back to 1+1 2 kan. Back to basic. Back to first year. Principle, Bernoulli equation, boundary condition, semua back to the origin, back to basic. Okey, rasanya dah jawab. Ada missing yang daripada 10 soalan tu.
Tak ada tuan. Maksudnya dah menjawab semuanya.
InsyaAllah, Alhamdulillah lah menjawab. Keep in touch. Anything yang you perlu assistant kemudian ni, maybe. So, saya pun ada talk dulu kalau macam masa saya dekat adjunct UTP dengan tu, ialah masa tu ada face to face. If dah certain topic that you need, general topic lah, if you need untuk mungkin you crowd, you punya kelas ke apa, bolehlah borak-borak saja kan. So, face to face ni mudah, sedap lagi lah kan, compare dengan ni ya. Alright, okay, keep in touch. Ya, terima kasih. Alright, Assalamualaikum. Okay, take care.
Thank you, Zai.